Hi everyone, I'm Shazia. I hope you guys are doing good. I really want to thank those who have already subscribed to my channel. I hope you find my videos helpful. Today, in the process of setting up my kitchen, I'm going to show you guys what I have bought and how much I have spent. I got four pots with the lids, which is a cookware set, and then the dinnerware, which is a dinner set for 4 people, 12 pieces, and a mixie, a blender, all together in within $100. I've made a video about those two when I was unpacking the dinner set and the blender. Today I'm going to show you guys how I managed to get 4 pots within $30. So this set of 8 pieces, which is a star basic set, and comes with 8 pieces. I got this for only $29 some cents, so $30 the price plus taxes. So I got like a big pot. I can make rice in this, and then a flat pan kind of pot. I can make curries. This can be used for you know tea or coffee, milk, and this pot can be used for dal again and curries if you want. So these four, if you actually look up, I'm gonna put the link in the description. If you look up the other products on Walmart, a pot can something like this can cost you around $30 by itself, and I got all the 4 pots in $30 with the lids. If you go to dollar stores or like the Indian stores, which people consider to be cheaper, yes, those are places where you get better deals. However, for the dinnerware, I would suggest you go to Walmart, because I went to different places, looked for the cheaper deals. Only a pot like this was costing me around $30, wherein I got like all the four in $30. Having said that, here is the dinner set, what you get in that box, and you will get four of these, like 4 plates, dinner plates, 4 quarter plates, and 4 bowls. And if you see, they're like very big, you can serve curry in that. Talking about the blender, it's a very tiny blender. You can drink from the jar kind of blender it is. I'm going to use it for pretty much everything, and you'll be surprised that it cost me only $13 some change. And the dinner set was a little expensive. It was around, if I'm not wrong, $40, $39 something, so $40. Everything together, I got within $100, which was like a very good deal. I'm quite happy with it. If you're a newcomer and you'll need like things like this, if you're getting it from home, India, or wherever you're coming from, it might add up to the luggage, right? If you're just getting one plate, one serving pot and a quarter plate, then it's a different story. But if you want like a full-fledged 4 pots and a proper dinner set, then I would suggest you keep that on hold and purchase it once you land in Canada. Even for the tawas and the roti tawas, the metal tawas, everything is available. It's just that it will be a little expensive than what you see them in India. Talking about that, I'll tell you, like, the glasses, I thought taking one glass, which is again available, like it will cost you like $4 or something. And then if you take the whole set, I took like this set of 3 glasses, and it was $6 if I'm not wrong. Right? You will need like more than one plate, you will need more than one glass. So I think going for a set is gives you more pieces and better price than taking individual items. That was my take on it. And I'm gonna put all the links from the Walmart. This is not a sponsored video, just clarifying that. This was $29 some cents, so $30 for this.